Hi, my name is Clarence with Skin Aesthetics Group, and today I'm going to be going over what you'll be getting with your free course and what you won't be getting, and kind of how the kit works and how the pricing works. So, when you enroll in your free training, essentially what it is it's a mini course where you can learn all of the practical hands-on stuff that you'll need to know. So you'll learn about microblading strokes. You'll learn how to do it on fake skin. You'll also get a 50-page workbook where you can practice your strokes with pen or pencil, and you can go through and just get tons of practice. And this process is going to take you a little bit. So it's really important that you get your strokes down, you get your hand tool down, and you get all of the practical knowledge that you need to know before you start the procedure. So, this could take you a week, 2 weeks, sometimes just to go through this free course. Now, we do have an option where you can upgrade, and the course upgrade will include things like the online training support. It'll show you the live treatment demos. It'll be more than just the practice stuff. It'll get really hands-on so that you can start getting comfortable doing live procedures. And with that kit, when you upgrade, you can either purchase just the course, just the kit, and then you can follow along with this kit and use the fake skins and the microblades and everything inside to go through the free course. And for that, that's $179. Or you can upgrade for just the free course, or you can get the course and kit for $379, where you'll get full access to the full microblading course. You'll get live training support. So you'll email your instructors, they'll review your work, they'll give you detailed feedback on it to make sure that you're doing the right thing before you advance. And the full course will include certification. So let's just go over your kit quick, and we can go over exactly what comes in the microblading kit. And remember, you don't have to do any of this stuff. If you want to just browse through the course, that's totally fine. You can look through the course and just see if microblading's for you, practice with some of the practice sheets, and essentially just go from there. So microblading is an awesome skill. So a lot of women, how they progress through their journey of a permanent makeup artist or a beauty professional, and they get to the place where they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars, they usually always start with microblading. So microblading is an amazing skill. You can combine it with other skills such as like combination brows, nano brows, and the ombre brows. So this is almost always the start of everyone's permanent makeup journey. Microblading is also a super high in demand treatment that women are staying booked. Literally, I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and there's new permanent makeup studios popping up all the time because women want these permanent makeup treatments done. So diving into the kit, you'll get all the pigments that you'll need for any skin type. So you get light brown, brown, dark brown, and black brown. Get a little welcome card that helps you get into the course. You'll also get instant course access via email as soon as you purchase. So the kit will take 2 to 3 business days to ship pretty much anywhere in the US. And in the meantime, because you get instant access to your course, you can start going through all the course material and getting comfortable with it. Here's pretty much everything that it comes with. As you can see down here, it comes with fake skins, so you can practice your brow strokes. And then it comes with some blank skins, so you can also draw the brows onto the fake skin and then do them. You can just use the blank skins to just get a little bit more comfortable with using the tool. And it can be a little bit messy using the pigment on these skins. But what you can do is just use the microblading tool, and it'll leave a little white mark so they can be used inkless. So you can still see your work, and you're not going to be making a huge mess trying to wet the pigment off. And then also for your final exam, we do a little bit more detailed face where you can actually go and draw the brows on, create the microblading strokes, and then you would submit a final exam there. And also, it's 365 days of support. So most people complete this in a week to a month, sometimes 2 months. And when they're complete, they still have those other 10 months to get support. So we can help with, how to get some of your clients. We can help with some of the marketing stuff if you have any questions with that. We also have a course on that where you can, it's essentially beauty marketing for beginners. So if you want to upgrade there, you can upgrade there. We can give you just support on what to do when you're having issues with a client. You can send us client photos and say, what color pigment should I be using? Essentially, all of that access is meant to be for when you start advancing into doing live treatments. So then you have a full year of support with us. So that's all included in the $379. So you'll get your pigments, your fake skins, you'll get brow mapping string, you get a little pencil sharpener, you'll get microblades, you'll get numbing cream. So this is numbing cream that you use before the treatment starts. It's only to be used before the treatment starts. You don't want to use it when the skin's broken, and it'll help your client feel much more comfortable when you're doing it, because sometimes people can experience some pain when they're doing microblading. We have some lip Q-tips. So essentially these are used to take the pigment, and so when you're going through the microblading process, you're going to take the pigment, put it on, and then you let it sit there for a while to soak into the skin. So these help you get it into the skin and also help you apply different serums, such as this PMU numbing, which can be used after you've already cut into the skin and you've been adding tattoo pigment into the skin. And remember, this isn't tattoo pigment, it's permanent makeup pigment designed specifically for microblading and brow treatments. So it's not meant to last more than 2 to 3 years. So you will get quite a bit of time out of the procedure. However, you don't want it to last forever. And our pigment does a really amazing job of fading naturally. Some people, they run into issues where their brows will just be a constant gray or a constant tattoo color. That's because they used a cheap pigment. So our pigment is really good quality. It will fade correctly. You won't be left with grays or anything like that. And it won't obviously last forever. It'll last enough time where they're happy with the treatment. And then this numbing is something that you can use when the skin is actually opened. And that'll give your client some relief as well as you're going through the procedure. These are brow mapping stickers. So what these do is, brow mapping can be a really difficult process. You can use the mapping string, you can use a pencil to actually draw out the brows. But these help you get a little bit more accurate depiction of it. A lot of advanced people don't necessarily use these. Beginners love them because they really help you get an accurate depiction of where the brows should be starting and where you should be making your lines. So they're a really, really great tool. And then there's more microblades. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in your microblading kit. Enjoy your free course. And if you have any questions at all, you can message our customer care at care@skin.io, or you can find a little chat on our website that'll pop up. So enjoy your free training. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask. Thanks.